Imagine being able to reach your dreams, no matter how big they are. Whether it's becoming a top athlete, excelling in academics, or mastering a new skill, the secret lies in one powerful trait: discipline. But what exactly is discipline, and how can it help us achieve greatness? Discipline is the ability to control your actions, emotions, and thoughts to reach a goal. It's about doing what needs to be done, even when it's hard or when you don't feel like it. This kind of self-discipline is crucial for self-improvement, as it helps you stay focused and motivated on your path to success. Think of discipline as a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. At first, it might be challenging to resist distractions or stick to a routine, but over time, these actions become habits. And habits are powerful tools for achieving greatness, because they make it easier to stay on track. One of the most inspiring aspects of discipline is its universality. No matter what your goals are, discipline can help you achieve them. For example, if you want to improve your grades, setting a study schedule and sticking to it requires discipline. If you're aiming to get fit, it takes discipline to exercise regularly and eat healthily. In every case, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. But how can you develop discipline? It starts with setting clear goals. Knowing exactly what you want to achieve gives you a target to aim for. Next, break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes them less overwhelming and gives you a clear action plan. For example, if your goal is to write a book, start by writing a page a day. Over time, these small steps add up to significant progress. Another key to building discipline is finding your motivation. Motivation is like the fuel that keeps your discipline engine running. To stay motivated, remind yourself why your goals are important. Visualize the end result and the benefits you'll gain. This can be a powerful motivator to keep pushing forward, even when the going gets tough. It's also important to eliminate distractions. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get sidetracked by social media, TV, or other temptations. Identify the distractions that most affect you and find ways to minimize them. This could mean setting specific times to check your phone or creating a dedicated workspace for studying or working out. In addition to these strategies, self-discipline can be strengthened through self-reflection. Take time to evaluate your progress and identify areas where you can improve. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and learn from your mistakes. This process of continuous self-improvement is what helps you grow and develop your discipline over time. Remember, achieving greatness through discipline is not about being perfect. It's about being persistent. Everyone faces setbacks and challenges, but those who are disciplined know how to overcome them. They understand that discipline is a journey, not a destination. It's about consistently making choices that align with your goals and values. To illustrate, consider the story of a student striving for academic excellence. Initially, they might struggle with time management and procrastination. However, by setting clear study goals, breaking tasks into manageable pieces, and maintaining a disciplined routine, they gradually improve their performance. Over time, what once seemed impossible becomes achievable, demonstrating the transformative power of discipline. Similarly, an aspiring athlete aiming to compete at a high level must adhere to a strict training regimen. This includes not only physical exercises, but also mental preparation and dietary discipline. By consistently applying discipline, the athlete builds strength, skill, and resilience, ultimately reaching their peak performance. Their journey highlights how discipline is essential, not just for achieving success, but for maintaining it. Finally, surround yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with can significantly impact your motivation and discipline. Seek out friends, mentors, or role models who inspire you and encourage your growth. Their support can make a big difference in staying disciplined and achieving your goals. Positive influences provide not only encouragement, but also accountability, helping you stay committed to your discipline practices. In conclusion, discipline is a powerful tool for achieving greatness. It helps you stay focused, motivated, and on track, no matter what challenges you face. By developing self-discipline and creating positive habits, you can transform your dreams into reality. So start today by setting clear goals, finding your motivation, and taking small steps toward your dreams. Remember, greatness is within your reach, and it all starts with discipline. The journey may not always be easy, but with persistence and the right mindset, you can achieve remarkable things.